my channel. I decided to stop by Lowe's today, and since I made a video for you guys, I thought I should. So let's see what they have. A bunch of empty pots. I wonder how much these empty pots are, because they are kind of cute. They don't say, so I don't know. They might be like $3 maybe. I think it's like 50% off, I'm not sure. It's so disappointing to come here actually. The plants look stretched out because they are in a lot of shade. Guys, you know what? I'm also usually scared of being told not to record here, so I try to be as discreet as possible. Look at all the cactuses stretched out. See? Way thin out because they don't get enough sun. So that's what's happening with that right there. There's those over there. Trying to see if they have anything that I would really, really want. I'm not seeing anything, unfortunately. These big ones here, nothing that I personally want. I feel like right now they stopped taking in plants, like, you know, getting any orders in, because they look very short, you know, like they don't have a lot. So yeah, I mean, that's it. I just got here. I spent what, 2 minutes and I'm done looking. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm back home. It is a little bit later. When I was at Lowe's, it was in the morning, and now it is 7 o'clock. Well, it's about to be 7 p.m. Wanted to show you really quickly. Look at what my husband found. Someone threw this away. He said he got it for me for when I need to move my plants around, or whenever I need to lug stuff from back and forth from the car, or anything, whatever it is that I need to do. So yeah, I think I'm gonna paint it like a really bright color, just so that it can look cute, because right now it looks a little depressing with this. Well, it's really dirty, it needs to be cleaned. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my big old bag of dirt that I just bought yesterday from Home Depot. So yeah, let's go do that. Big old bag of cactus dirt, and all I gotta do is just push it, but I need 2 hands to push it. But before I push it, now that we're in the front, let me go show you what happened here. You see that? That's my flapjack. It got really soft right there, and yeah, it broke off. When I came outside, it was flopped over, and then I grabbed it and it just came right off. Okay, first of all, that white stuff is normal. That's what the flapjack does, which makes it harder to spot mealybugs. But I don't understand what happened, because it doesn't look like your typical black rot. So it has been raining here a lot, but the rest of the stem down here is really hard. The only part that got soft is right here. So I don't get it. I don't know what happened. I didn't see evidence of a bug, so I don't get it, because other than that, it's pretty hard. So I really don't think it was rot. I think a bug did it. Let me go check on this other one here, this massive one, and I'm touching the stem, and all of it is good, very firm. So I just don't understand the mystery. The mystery of this one rotted right here. Look at that. That one, maybe it is rot, because that came off pretty quickly. Another different type of kalanchoe. It was 2 pieces here. Oh, is this one soft too?
Let me think. No, it's hard. It was only that piece that was soft. Whatever. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna leave it alone for now to let those babies mature. I'm gonna leave it alone and see what happens. I guess this is gonna be a vlog, right? Because Lowe's was so depressing. I was just making it into a vlog. Got these at Walmart for $3. Can you believe that? It was on clearance. So yeah, these are from Walmart and they've done so well. It's already been a year and they've done so well that I'm like, oh yeah, let me get those too. So a little late, but whatever. Better late than never, right? Okay. I guess my husband moved that. I don't know. I don't know why he moved it. I have to ask him. Remember this pot I got at a yard sale? And then this plant, it reminds me a lot of a succulent because it roots like that. You can cut it, stick it in the dirt, leave it alone, and it will root. I have two colors going on in here. These are two plants combined that I just put them there together, kind of twisted them up. You do find these at Home Depot in little containers or in big containers for indoors also. They do well indoor and outdoor. So yeah, I really like the way it looks, the colors. So yeah, I filled up the pot really nicely. I like it. I just stuck it in there and I was like, I'm done. Ta-da. Oh guys, I fixed my table. I don't know if I told you guys. So this table originally was a really cheap table that I got from Goodwill. I think I paid $5 for it. And I had sanded it. It had like the ugly Formica wood. And I kind of sanded it a little bit and stained it. And it did pick up. It picked up the stain because I sanded it. This part is actual wood. So because I moved it over here, it used to be against the wall behind me. So it would get rained on but not soaked. And it would do well. But because I put it here and it would get drenched, it warped. It would look really nasty. So I know that it was a really easy fix. Just go to Home Depot, tell them the size you need, they'll cut it, and I just stained it real quickly, and that's it. I was done in 30, like less than, yeah, like staining it and putting it back together. I would say less than 30 minutes. So yeah, now it should do well and not warp. And I also, just to make sure, I sprayed it with that waterproofing spray. So yeah. Okie dokie, that's enough of that. Now I'm gonna push this over there. That was super easy with the cart. I really like the cart. I think I'm gonna paint it, and not today. And maybe drill some holes so when it rains, the water just goes right through and there's no water puddling in because of mosquitoes. Here's an update. This is where I planted the imbricatas that Emma sent me. Maxie, you thirsty? Look, they're getting their color back and they're perking up. They're starting to close up. And they did get a lot of the rain. But I was okay with it. I feel like they're gonna work through it. So yeah. Guys, I'm amazed on how this turtle looks. That plant is going crazy. She gets good sun here. A lot of sun and water, and she's loving it. She likes it a lot. Look at this one. This one's doing well too, and she's handling all the rain and all the sun, and I'm just leaving it there, and it's doing well. So I want to say that some succulents, I guess, because their roots do get established, they adapt, I want to say, because this one's been here forever. I mean, look at my videos. You can see she usually stays here. She'll usually just go from there sometimes to here, depending what I'm doing, like what plants I'm moving. And Maxie, you want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi? She's just, anything that I touch, so she wants to be like, what are you looking at? Watch. What's this? What am I looking at? Maxie, what are you doing? What's going on? Huh? Don't, you're gonna kill it. You're gonna bump them. Don't bump my plants. Ow.
Get off. Get off. No. Okay. So, we digress, right, Maxie? Let's talk about this over here. So look, she's doing beautifully, and she does get sun here. May, June, I don't think I planted it in May, but it's been already here for, I don't know, a month, more than a month. And this one, it's actually flowering. This is the fire sticks. Look at that. I just don't know when they'll get red, because they do get a lot of sun. Maybe in the future I can move it to where it gets even more intense sun, but we'll see. Look at that one. That's ridiculous. Look at how big it is. That's the one that I got during that yard sale with the yellow flowers. I mean, when I was doing yard sales, it was on the road. That's pretty cool. And then this is the topsy-turvy that I beheaded. The stem. It's right here and it's doing well. It's got a bunch of babies, and I'm just leaving it there, and it's getting a lot of rainwater. I don't know, sometimes I like to do that and just see what happens. I probably wouldn't do it with like some ones that I'm like really protective over, but that one, yes. Look at how pink that one is. Look at how pretty it is. Come on, focus. Look at how pretty it is. I want more babies. I really like this one. She's doing so well. When she gets bigger, and then she'll give me more. Oh, look, this is the same one that I have in the front. The pink one that I mixed with the green one. So yeah, I have that. And what else? That's it, guys. Nothing going on. I am being very lazy and potting up some stuff. I am being a little bit lazy, so I apologize because I could be potting. Well, actually, it's been hot too. I'm excited for the cooler temperatures to come. I can't wait for that to happen. I got a new fan, and I totally forgot that I'm talking in here with the fan on, so you guys might start complaining that you can't hear me. But I got a new fan, so let me get out of here. Oh, this one's been doing well too with all the rain. This one, look at how beautiful they look. Look at that. This is another one of my favorites. But I did take a chance. See, she's one of my favorites, but I still took a chance on her and left her out here with all the rain. But she's been doing well. This is my project. This is where I'll be doing more experiment with more plants that I have in the greenhouse, that I have been growing in the greenhouse. I want to put them in here and see how they do. These are just those plastic ones that you can get at Home Depot. Because my plants on this side are doing so well, I'm hoping that whatever I put over here will do well too. So that's what I'm hoping for. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.